Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2019 Subaru Ascent. This is the top of the line touring model, which is equipped with just about every available option you can get. We took this one in on trade. It's a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. The Ascent is a new model for the Subaru lineup. It is their largest vehicle. It replaces the Tribeca. It's a 3-row mid-size crossover. Very big and spacious interior, beautifully appointed in the touring trim with leather and high-grade materials. It's actually my first time behind the wheel of Ascent, so we can discover this beautiful vehicle together. Uses a new turbocharged flat 4 engine, 2.4 liters, 260 horsepower, very fuel efficient. It's one of the more fuel efficient vehicles in this class. You'll average right around 20 miles per gallon. That engine is maxed to a CVT transmission. Subaru makes a really nice CVT transmission. Some of them are kind of a little bit more rubber bandy, but this one does a good job doing simulated shifts when you're doing spirited driving. So it feels like a regular automatic transmission, but it's a little bit more efficient. CVT transmissions offer an almost infinite amount of gear ratios versus a regular automatic transmission, which might have 5, 6, or 7 gears. Lots of connectivity. We have an X mode, that's for off-road situations. Heated and ventilated front seats. Dual zone auto climate control. This has a great infotainment system. Navigation, backup camera, has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Has a separate screen up here for radio information, outside temperature display, your clock. It has a universal garage door opener, and has this really cool mirror because you flip it up like this, and you have it's not a backup camera. It's actually a rear view camera. So if you want just a rear view mirror, you can go like that, but that provides an unobstructed view behind you, so it's really useful. Lots of great safety features: forward emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot warning. It looks like this also has adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, big panoramic roof, and it opens, and if it gets too bright, you have a sunshade to dim things down. Another cool feature, they have a sunglass holder, but integrated into the sunglass holder is a mirror, so you can keep an eye on your kids back there. Beautiful leather interior. I love the color combination in this one. You have nice contrast stitching, wood trim, black piano finish, and then you have simulated leather stitching and wood trim on the doors, and simulated leather stitching on the dashboard. This one only has 22,311 miles. Also features a Harman Kardon sound system. Nice looking vehicle. Pretty much looks like a giant version of like a Subaru Forester or a Subaru Outback. Subarus are very popular. One of the more popular brands out here in the Pacific Northwest, for good reason. Standard all-wheel drive. A unique engine. Probably one of my favorite parts of the Subaru products is their flat 4 engines. It's a unique engine configuration, really you only see in Subarus. Turbocharged on this one, it makes about 260 horsepower, enough to go 0 to 60 in a tad under 7 seconds, which is definitely impressive performance for a vehicle this size. We have a rear climate control, then we have a second row heated seats. You have a conventional 120 power outlet like you'd find in your house. Lots of USB connectivity as well. Cup holders. I think it has like 19 cup holders or something crazy amount of cup holders in this vehicle, so that's plenty. I don't know why you would need 19 cup holders if you only have, this one seats 7 people, but who knows? Americans, I guess we love our cup holders. Integrated sunshade. It's nice for those youngsters. Plenty of ventilation. I'm really comfortable back here. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have plenty of leg room, headroom, shoulder room back here. These second row seats, they slide back and forth. They also recline, and being captain's chairs, they're a little bit more comfortable than a split bench. I think a split bench in the second row is also optional, or maybe standard on this vehicle. all season mats. Looks like the carpeted mats are still in the plastic. Cargo area protector. All those seats fold fairly flat. Power rear lift gate. Dual exhaust system for a little bit more of a aggressive stance. It's a really nice driving vehicle. It actually, the platform they use on the Ascent is the same platform. It's a large platform, but the same platform that they use for the smaller Subaru Crosstrek and the Subaru Impreza. It's a brand new global platform that Subaru has developed, and you'll probably see a lot of other vehicles use this platform too, like the Forester and the larger Legacy and the Outback. And there's a fantastic turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Provides all the power you could dream of, and being matched to a efficient CVT transmission, it will offer excellent performance, excellent gas mileage. And then with Subaru's fantastic symmetrical all-wheel drive system, you won't have many issues getting stuck or running into slippery conditions in the Pacific Northwest. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.